What happens when you mix Coca Cola with lemon? The answer will leave you speechless. Add 1 lemon to 200 milliliters of Coca Cola and mix everything well. Then pour everything into a container. Try this trick at home and then come back and let me know what you think. Next, we'll squeeze the other half of the lemon. Tell me which city you're watching from so I can give you a special message. Now we need some baking soda. The ideal amount for this recipe is 1 tablespoon. We'll add it here along with the other ingredients. It's normal for a reaction to occur, as this is the purpose of our recipe. I have no doubt that it will fit into your routine as well as mine. I've never had a problem buying the expensive products sold in stores again. This is much better than those expensive products. Now we'll need some dishwashing detergent. Let's add 200 milliliters of dish detergent here. I'm sure you'll be back here to thank me for this tip. With just a few ingredients, we can keep our pans sparkling. After adding everything, mix all the ingredients well. Have you ever made a product to keep your pans shiny? Let me know if you have any traditional homemade tricks to keep your pans shiny after mixing. Our solution is ready, and to store it and make it easier to apply, we'll need a bottle. Here I'm using the same bottle as the dish soap, but you can use any other bottle for storage. And to make sure we don't waste any product, we'll add it using a funnel. That way, we avoid waste. Don't forget to use this trick at home because, as well as being very cheap, it's very effective for cleaning your pans. Let's close the bottle now. I'll show you the power of this product. Just apply a little to a sponge in the pan and rub it in. See how easily the dirt comes off with just a little rubbing. It shines. Guys, this trick is amazing. Tell me in the comments how you rate this trick from 0 to 10, and if you're going to try this at home, I'm sure you'll love it. Also, tell me what city and country you're watching this video from so I can get to know my viewers better. Before I finish, I want to hear your opinion. What rating, from 0 to 10, would you give this homemade trick I've shared today? Leave your rating in the comments and tell me if you're going to try using this mixture to clean your pans at home. I love to know what you think and how these tips help you in your day-to-day life. Also, I want to know where you're watching from. Leave the name of the city and country you're watching the video from. I love getting to know my audience better and knowing that these tips are reaching all corners of the world. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive more useful tips like this. Thanks for being with me today. See you in the next video. Bye.